In the quiet heart of the forest, a little monkey sat nestled in his mother's warm embrace. All around them, the ground was covered with dry leaves that rustled softly in the gentle breeze. The mother held her baby close, her eyes full of love and peace. After a while, the little monkey grew curious. With a tiny leap, he slipped out of his mother's arms and began to wander. His small feet pressed against the crisp leaves, making them crackle with each step. The sound delighted him, and he soon started playing, kicking the leaves and watching them fall again like golden rain. His mother sat nearby, watching with quiet joy. Her heart filled with happiness as she saw her baby take his first playful steps into the world around him. She knew he was safe, and the sight of his excitement made her soul shine. The little monkey, lost in the wonder of dry leaves, giggled and played without worry, while his mother kept smiling, proud of her little one's growing spirit.